In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Carnival VIFP account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in carnival.com/VIFP. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Carnival. From here, you'll be able to join the Carnival VIFP club. So if you want to join it, what you have to do is click on the join option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. All you have to do is provide your email address and create a password for yourself. So click on the field of email address. Enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now what you have to do is enter your password, or you can also register with your device unlock method. For that, you can click on this option or simply create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, at least 3 of the following: uppercase, lowercase, symbol. It cannot contain the email address, so simply create a password accordingly. Now after you create the password, click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to complete your profile. You'll have to fill out these fields that you can see right over here. First of all, enter the first name. Now enter the last name. Now after you do that, select the date of birth. First of all, select the month. Now select the day. Likewise, enter the year. Now also select the gender. Click on the field of gender. Now select the gender. Likewise, select the country of residence. Click on the field of country of residence. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the country where you reside. Now also provide your phone number. Click on the field of phone number. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Now simply scroll down. Now check on this box, I accept Carnival's terms and condition and privacy policy. If you would like to receive emails with special offers, check this box. Otherwise, simply uncheck this box. If you're working with a travel agent, you can check on this box, I am working with a travel agent. Otherwise, simply click on this option, submit. Now you can see over here, your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Carnival VIFP account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.